Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to print your Google Doc file. And yes, Google Docs offers a feature in which you can print your file directly from the Google Docs software. So let's get started. Don't worry if you're not familiar with the Google Docs interface, because I will be here to guide you and show you step by step on how you are going to do this. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file. And also make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date before proceeding so that we will not encounter any errors at all. Please also make sure that your printer is connected to your PC or your laptop and all the drivers are correctly installed. Now, once you have ensured all of that, we can now proceed to the printing of our Google Docs file. Now, here at your Google Docs file interface, head over to the File section right here. As you can see, below our file name, you can see the File menu. Click on that. And here, you have tons of different options right here. And at the very bottom, as you can see, we have the Print option. You can also click Ctrl P on your keyboard, and it will still redirect you to this page. Let's try pressing Ctrl P. And as you can see, we are now ready for printing our Google Docs file. Now, for the destination, you can either save it as different file formats, or you can choose your printer right here. Once you have chosen your printer, then as you can see, you have different options right here. For example, the pages that you would like to print. Let's say, for example, I would only like to print pages 1, 3, and 5. Then I could click Customize and type in 1, 3, 5. Sorry, I forgot to put the space. Like this. Or whether to choose if I want to print it black and white or colored. You also have more settings right here, which is the paper size, letter for short, you got A4 or legal for long bond paper. You got pages per sheet, margins, scales, and other options. Now, once you are all set, you can click on print and your document will be printed directly to your printer. So, if you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.